If you're waiting till next year to replace your windows, you're paying for it, literally. I'm gonna tell you 3 ways in this video that you're paying for it by not going ahead and replacing your windows right away. Way number 1, your AC is constantly running every single day, and it is constantly costing you more money than it should. And if you have to replace that AC because of those windows, now you're talking about double the price, and you don't get the protection. Way number 2 is you lose the tax credit. That's right. This year, after this year, if you have the windows replaced after this year, you no longer get the tax credit. And that's all thanks to the wonderful bill they put in place. All right. Donald Trump put the wonderful bill in place. Okay. So that's way number 2. And way number 3 is you're going to lose because you're not protecting your family. If that hurricane hits your home this year, you're going to lose everything because you have those outdated windows and they're not protecting your home. So there's 3 big ways you're going to lose, and you're going to pay more than you ever should if you don't do it this year.